Hi guys, I am standing right outside of Rare Bird Preserves. They are directly across the street from me, and guess what? They are helping us participate in the Chicago Yarn Call this year. Let's take a tour, shall we? So you're gonna walk in and see all the goodies. So Rare Bird Preserves is the home of homemade jam and gifts, kitchen items and home decor, chocolates. Ooh, fun baskets, like how much yarn can you put in there? We've got caramels, almonds, yummy cookies, honey. There's that jam we're talking about, pecans. Ooh, cherry frangipane tarts. Delicious scones. Muffins. Ooh, 2 different kinds. Cold pressed coffee. What else can we find in here? Candles. Incense. And all those delicious homemade jams. So when you come by and visit us for Yarn Call, make sure to come over to Rare Bird. They are going to have a discount for all of my crawlers. Woo! Thanks guys, see you soon.